Today I am reviewing the Volt X3 gaming PC desktop computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful and visually stunning pre-built gaming desktop, the Volt X3 gaming PC is one of the most impressive options available in 2025. From its robust performance components to its sleek all-white design and ARGB lighting, this PC is built to deliver both style and raw power. Let's start with the CPU. The Volt X3 is equipped with an Intel E5-2680 V4 processor running at 3.6 GHz with turbo boost, giving you multiple cores and threads to handle heavy multitasking, gaming, and content creation. Whether you're streaming while gaming or running multiple applications, this processor ensures that your system stays smooth and responsive. Next up is the graphics card, the heart of any gaming PC. The Volt X3 comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with 8 GB of dedicated memory. While the GTX 1070 has been a proven performer, it still delivers smooth 1080p gameplay at high settings across popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Elden Ring, Apex Legends, and more. You can expect high frame rates, crisp visuals, and immersive experiences without compromise. For memory and storage, the Volt X3 features 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. The DDR4 RAM ensures quick loading times and smooth multitasking, while the NVMe SSD provides storage speeds up to 10 times faster than traditional hard drives. This combination lets your games load faster, your applications run more efficiently, and your system feel incredibly responsive overall. Connectivity is another area where the Volt X3 shines. With 3000 megabits per second Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPorts, and DVI output, this PC can handle a wide variety of peripherals, from gaming keyboards and mice to VR headsets. Everything is plug-and-play, so you can set up your ultimate gaming station in minutes. Now, let's talk about cooling and design. The Volt X3 features 4 ARGB fans and a high-performance 6 heat pipe CPU cooler, which ensures your system stays cool even during long gaming sessions. The all-white Volt 360 ATX case not only looks clean and modern, but also maximizes airflow to keep temperatures down. Add in the 600W80 Plus bronze PSU, and you've got a system that's both stable and reliable. On the software side, the Volt X3 comes with Windows 11 Pro 64-bit pre-installed, giving you a modern and secure operating system with all the latest features. Plus, there's no bloatware, so your PC is ready to use right out of the box. Finally, this PC is assembled in the USA, comes with a 1-year warranty, and includes free technical support, giving you peace of mind for your investment. In terms of gaming performance, the Volt X3 handles everything from AAA titles to competitive esports games. You can play Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Elden Ring, Overwatch 2, Rocket League, Counter-Strike 2, and Battlefield 5 at 1080p with smooth frame rates over 100 FPS. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious esports competitor, this desktop delivers performance you can rely on. In conclusion, the Volt X3 gaming PC combines powerful hardware, fast storage, ample memory, high-performance cooling, and a stylish design to give gamers a complete and ready-to-play experience. If you want a pre-built gaming PC that can handle modern games with style and efficiency, the Volt X3 is an excellent choice.